Before we start our session, let me tell you about a few tools which will be very useful for your PG entrance examination. The first thing is a Q bank. All of you should have a very good Q bank, and here I'm talking about Medico Apps NEET PG Plan A, which has both Q bank as well as test series. Now, how it is different from all the other Q banks is most of the other Q banks focus on new questions. This Q bank is heavily focused on your PYQs. So if you see, there are around 27,000 latest pattern questions, and you can get NEET PG past 10-year questions, past 10, 12 years question, INI-CT full set. Even AIMS question you can get from 2012 to 2020, FMG, UPSC, all these PYQs are there as a part of this Q bank Plan A. Also, there is a complete test series where there is subject-wise test, there is grand test, there is mock test, and all as a part of the test series and the Plan A, you can get unlimited custom modules, which means if you want to create your own test on a particular topic, subject, unit, you can create it and give it for yourself. So this is NEET PG Plan A. In fact, PYQs are so important that all these books will have past 7-8 years PYQ so that you can practice it and re-practice it and learn the concepts in proper detail. So many of these questions, Q banks are bestsellers. You have NEET PG Q bank, you have INI-CT Q bank, FMG, and Combined Medical Services Q bank. If you like my way of teaching, it is there in HYT Biochemistry. It's a very thin book, around 150-200 pages, which has all the flowcharts, mnemonics, and whatever I teach is there as a part of HYT Biochemistry book. You can get all these books on Amazon, as well as if you go to medicoapps.org/books, you can get all these books and special offer on that. Lastly, we have seen over the years, it is not because of hard work students fail their PG entrance examination, but it is the lack of revision. And why revision is very tough? Because first of all, revision is very difficult to do. Because when we open our notes for revision, we feel terrified that we don't know so many things. Second is, there's not a clear-cut plan, what to revise, how to start, where to start. And this NEET PG high topic revision app solves that problem. It is based again in the concept that, 20% of the topics will be responsible for 80% of the question. And these topics, there are some 2,700 high topics on which modules are present in this app. So what happens is, let's say there's a topic called as ulnar nerve palsy. So you will have a short synopsis, 3 to 5 paragraphs, followed by a quiz, 8 to 10 questions quiz on the same topic. And these questions are actual PYQs which have come on the topic. So you know exactly, if you are reading that topic, what questions will come on that particular topic. So this is all the hard work done for you. You can just go through these 2,700 high topics. I'm very sure that almost 70-80% of the questions you can confidently attempt. And then obviously there are revision playlist, there is clinical images and mnemonics and flowcharts and a lot of other things. But remember, this 2,700 high points or high topics is what is a game changer and will help you revise.